Today we'll go over how to set up the Good Earth LED under cabinet bar light. Turn power off at the breaker and wall switch. Here's everything included in the hardware kit. Remove the access cover by loosening the locking screw and slide the keyhole slot over the screw head. As the access cover is removed from the fixture, the ends of the wire connectors will be pulled out with it. Carefully, pull the ends out about 3 inches and clip the zip tie that is attaching them to the access door. Determine which corresponding knockout is closest to the supply wire feed and remove it. Carefully remove the knockout by hammering a flathead screwdriver or punch until the surface breaks. Attach the metal strain relief to the end of the flexible whip and turn until the strain relief is fully engaged with the end of the cable. Push the strain relief and cable into the knockout. Make sure to allow enough wire length to make the connection. Insert ground supply lead into connector on ground fixture wires. Insert black supply lead into connector on black fixture wires and white supply lead into connector on white wires. The ground wires can be either green or bare copper. Reattach the access cover by sliding the access cover away from the screw head until the screw head is captured by the narrow end of the keyhole slot. Tighten the locking screw back down. Push the strain relief into the knockout until you hear a click to make sure it has been secured. The fixture has pre-installed captive screws at each end. Hold the fixture in the desired location and drive wood screws until they secure the fixture to the bottom surface of the cabinet. The wood screws must be driven in straight for the fixture to mount properly. Thank you for purchasing Good Earth Smart Lighting.